Hello friends, SBI PO prelims paper number 21 explanation, quantitative aptitude. So look at question number 31 onwards. So looks like quadratic equations. 17x square minus 16x square means x square plus 6x minus 26x will give us minus 20x plus 161 minus 62 will give us plus 99 is equal to 0. 99 ones are 99, 11 nines are 99. Minus 11 minus 9 will give us minus 20. Initial factors are minus 11 minus 9. Final factors are plus 11 plus 9. Y square minus 24y plus 143 is equal to 0. 143 means 11 13 times. Minus 11 minus 13 will give us minus 24. Finally, plus 11 plus 13. Plus 11 plus 13 equal less than x less than or equals to y. X less than or equals to y. 4 power 4 means 256 plus 225 minus 40 is equal to 21x. That is not 21 and 21x. Here x means here 21x. 256 minus 40 means 226. Sorry, 216. 216 plus 225 means 441 is equal to 21x. X equal to 21. Minus 7y is equal to minus of 504 by 7 plus 5y. 772 times 12y is equal to 72. Y equal to 6. Where x is 21, y equal to 6, x greater than y. X power 4 by 3 into x power 2 by 3. X power 6 by 3 means x square is equal to 576 by 4. 576 by 4 means 144. 144. Then x equal to plus or minus 12. Y cube divided by 6. Then y cube is equal to 288 into 6, 1728. Y equal to 12. Plus or minus 12. Y equal to plus 12. Equal less than. X less than or equals to y. Clearly shows that x is 0, y is 0. Both x and y values are 0. X equal to y are no relation. 12 by x square minus 3 by x is equal to 6 by x square. From this, 12 by x square minus 6 by x square is equal to 3 by x. 6 by x square is equal to 3 by x. 3x square is equal to 6x. 3x square minus 6x is equal to 0. I will make 3x as common. X minus 2 is equal to 0. X equal to 0 or 2. 74 8 times y equal to 2. 0 or 2, y value 2. X less than or equals to y. Number series 19 84 have a gap of 65. 84 134 means 50. 134 171. 16 plus 21 37. 171 197 means 26. Again difference 15 13 11 means next one is 9. 26 plus 9 35. 197 plus 35. Sorry, 26 minus 9. 26 minus 9. All are subtraction here. So 26 minus 9 means 17. Next difference is 17. So 197 plus 17 214. First option is your answer. Difference among difference. Difference 2, 6, 10, 14. Increase by 4. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 4, 14 plus 4, 18. 83 plus 18, 101 is your answer. Difference 14, 42, 70, 98. Odd multiples of 14. 14 1 time, 14 3 time, 14 5 time, 14 7 time, 14 9 time, 126. 237 plus 126, nothing but 363. 363 is your answer. 9 plus 11, 20. 20 plus 11, 31. Alternate series. 9 plus 11, 20. 20 plus 11. 25 plus 11, 36. 36 plus 11, 47 will come. 47 will come. Difference 272. Again difference here 136. Again difference 68. Difference 34. Difference is half. Half of 272 136. Half of 136 is 68. Half of 68 is 34. Half of 34 means 17. So 134 minus 17, 117. None of these is your answer. 117. Next. Study the following graph carefully to answer the questions. Number of candidates in thousands appearing in 3 different exams in 6 different years. 3 different exam A, exam B, exam C. Different years are 2020 to 2025. 0 to 10 I am having 5 lines, each line value 2 here. Total number of candidates appearing for exam B in the year 2021, 2022 together. Exam B 2021, 25 and 22 it is 30. 25 plus 30 means 55. Was what percentage of number of candidates appearing for exam C in the year 2020? Exam C 2020 means 40. Percentage means into 100. 550 by 4. 4 1s are 4. Remaining 15. 4 3s are 12. 4 7s are 137.5%. If 30% of total number of candidates appearing for all the exams together in 2021 were qualified, what was the number of unqualified candidates? So 2021 all 2021 all exams 2021 40 plus 25 65 plus 20 85 85,000. In this how many were qualified? 30% of the candidates are qualified. The question was what was the number of unqualified candidates? So 30% are qualified means unqualified candidates are 70%. 70% of 85,000. 2 zeros will get cancelled percentage. 7 5s are 35, 3 5, 56 plus 3, 59,500. 59,500. Actually, this value should be second option, 59,500. Next, see. Next question. What was the approximate percentage increase in the number of candidates appearing for exam B in 2025 as compared to previous year? 2025 previous year is 2024. Exam B in 24 30. In 25 it is 40. 30 became 40. How much percentage increase? Difference by less value. 1/3 means 33, 1/3%. Approximately 33%. What was the difference between total number of candidates appearing for all the 3 exams together in 2023 and total number of candidates appearing for exam A in all the years together? Okay, 2023 all exams are 25 plus 30 55, 55 plus 55 110. That is 2023 total. Exam A all the years 20 plus 40 60, 60 plus 25 85, 85 plus 25 110, 110 plus 45 155, 155 plus 60 215. So difference how much means 105, 1.05 lakhs. Next, what was the respective ratio between number of candidates appearing for exam B in the year 2024? Exam B 2024, that is 30, and exam A in the year 2022. 2022 exam A 25, and exam C in 2023 55. 5 6 times, 5 5 times, 5 11 times. 6 is to 5 is to 11, fifth option. Next, study the following table carefully to answer the given questions. Number of flights cancelled by 5 different airlines in 6 different years. Okay. Airlines PQRST, different years given. Number of flights cancelled by airlines P and R together in 2022. P and R together in 2022. 600 plus 546, 1146. Was approximately what percentage of number of flights cancelled by airline S in the year 2020? Airline S in 2020 means 365 into 100. Denominator 3 times 300% value. 3 times of 300, 900. 360 is 180, 3 5 is 15. 195 means 1085. But still I require 1146 means how much extra? 15 plus 46. 61 more we require 61 extra. 10% value 36.5. 20% value 72. So our answer is lies in between 310 to 320. 310 to 320 means 314% is your answer. What was the approximate percentage increase in the number of flights cancelled by airline S in the year 2023 compared to previous year? 23 previous year means 22. Airline S 430, 550. Percentage increase means difference by less value. 120 difference, less value 430 into 100. Approximately 30% value 129. So below 30% means 27 is your answer. Next, what was the difference between highest number of flights cancelled by airlines Q? Airlines Q, highest number of flights cancelled are 680, and lowest number of flights cancelled by airline T. Airline T, lowest number of flights cancelled was 258 among all the 6 years. 600 minus 200, 400. 80 minus 58 means 22. 422 is your answer. 422, none of these. What was the average number of flights cancelled by airlines PRST in 2023? PRST except Q in 2023. Sorry, except Q. 100, 800, 1300, 1800, 60, 50, 110 plus 80, 190, 1800 plus 190, 1990, 8 plus 6, 14, 1990 plus 14, 2004 by 4, 501, 501. Next, if 40% of the flights in the year 2025 by airline R were cancelled due to bad weather and rest were cancelled due to technical fault, what was the number of flights cancelled due to technical fault? 2025 airline R 880. Out of 880, 40% were bad weather. So remaining 60% were technical weather, technical fault. So 50% means 440. 10% value 88, then total 60% value 528. Technical fault 528 flights were cancelled. Sika got a discount of 32% and paid 1,53,000 for a new car. 32% discount means remaining 68% is equal to 1,53,000. 17 4 times, 17 9 times. 100% value 2,25,000. This is actual MRP. Actual MRP. What would be the cost price of the car if the discount were only 5%? So 5% discount means 11,250. Sorry, 22,500 low. 5% means 11,250 discount. So remaining 2 lakhs, 25,000 minus 12,000 means 13,750. 2 lakhs 13,750. First option is your answer. In a cricket match, Sachin scored 117 runs, Rahul scored 89 runs, Dhoni scored 65 runs, Yuvraj scored 23 runs, and Viru scored a certain number of runs. Average score of all the 5 batsmen was 94. How many did Viru score in that match? Average score 94 means on an average every batsman is 94, 94, 94, 94, 94. Viru also 94. If the remaining 4 batsmen scores are 94. But Sachin 117 runs means how much extra he took? So 94 117 means 23 extra. Rahul 89 means 5 lesser than the average. Dhoni 65 means 19 lesser than the average. Sorry, 29 lesser than the average. Yuvraj 23 runs means 71 lesser than the average. So these are the scores belongs to Virat. Minus 23 plus 29 means 6. 6 plus 5 11. 11 plus 71 82. 94 plus 82 means 176 runs. Viru scored 176 runs. The respective ratio between the present ages of son, mother, father, grandfather 2 is to 7 is to 8 is to 12. Average of son and mother is 27. What will be mother's age after 7 years? So present age of mother is 7 parts. Present age of mother is 7 parts. After 7 years also mother's age should be 7 multiple. Answer is 7 multiple, but they am having none of these option. So definitely you need to solve the question. If there is no none of these, then only we can go with option methodology. If you have none of these as one of the option, you need to solve the question. Average of son and mother 27. Son and mother average 27 means total 54 years. 2 plus 7, 9 parts value 54. 1 part value 6. Mother 7 parts value 7 6 of 42. Present mother 42. After 7 years means 42 plus 7, 49 years. In an exam, Rahman scored 25 marks lesser than Rohit. Raman. Rahman scored 25 marks lesser than Rohit. Rohit scored 45 more marks than Sonia. Rohan scored 75 marks. Rohan scored 75 marks, which is 10 more than Sonia. It means Sonia 65. Rohit scored 45 more marks than Sonia. 45 more than Sonia means 110. Raman 25 marks more lesser than Rohit. 25 lesser than Rohit means 85. Next. Ravi's score is 50 lesser than the maximum marks of the test. What approximate percentage of the marks did Ravi score in the exam if he gets 34 marks more than Raman? Ravi scored 34 marks more than Raman. So Raman 85. 34 extra means 119. This 119 marks are 50 lesser than the maximum marks. So maximum marks are 169. Then Ravi scored 119. So 169 is what percent of 119? 170, 17 sevens are 119. Approximately 70% is your answer. 70% is your answer. Next. Rahul's monthly income is 3 times of Rakesh's monthly income. Rakesh's monthly income is 20% more than Manoj's monthly income. Manoj's annual income is 2.4 lakhs. What is Rahul's annual income? At some places annual income and in some places monthly income is given. Manoj's annual income is 2.4 lakhs. Annual 2.4 lakhs means monthly 20,000. Manoj. Rakesh's monthly income is 20% more than Manoj. 20% more than Manoj means 24,000. Rahul monthly income is 3 times of Rakesh, 72,000. Monthly income 72,000. Annual income 8.64 lakhs. 8.64 lakhs. 8 lakhs 64,000. Fifth option. The ratio between the angles of a quadrilateral is 7 is to 9 is to 11 is to 3. 9 plus 11, 20. 7 plus 3, 10, 30 parts. 30 parts is equal to 360 degree. Why? Because in a quadrilateral, sum of all four angles is 360. Then one part equal to 12 degree. 12 sevens are 84. 12 nines are 108. 12 elevens are 132. 12 threes are 36. These are the four angles of the quadrilateral. Largest angles of the triangle is equal to third highest angle of the quadrilateral. Third highest, first highest 132, second highest 108, third highest 84. So largest angle of the triangle is 84. Other two angles of the triangle are equal. In a triangle, sum of three angles is 180. Out of 180, already 84 is over. So remaining 96. In that 96, half means 48, 48. What is the sum of the smallest angle of triangle and the second highest angle of quadrilateral? Second highest 108, smallest 48. 108 plus 48 together 156. 156 degrees. A 400 meters long train moving with an average speed crosses a platform in 25 seconds. A man crosses the same platform in 4 minutes. What is the speed of the man? Your train speed I don't know, platform length I don't know, man speed also we don't know. Three unknown variables, it is not possible to get the answer, cannot be determined. 3/7 of a number is equal to 30% of second number. Second number is equal to 1/3 of third number. The value of third number is 4230. Second number is 1/3 of third number. 1410, that is second number. 3/7 of first number is equal to 30% of second number. Second number is 1410. 30% means 10% 141. 3 times means 3 into 141. 3 will get cancelled. X is equal to 28987. That is first number. What is 20% of first number? 10% 98.7. 20% means double. 1417. 197.4. 20% of the first number is 197.4. The simple interest accrued on a sum of certain principal is 3,500 in 7 years at the rate of 8% per annum. 7 years 3,500 per year 500 rupees at the rate of 8% per 1 year 500 rupees. What would be the compound interest accrued on 4 times of that principal at the rate of 4% per annum in 2 years? 8% per 1 year 500, 4% per 1 year 250 rupees. First year 250, second year also 250. 4% of 250 means 10 rupees. Total compound interest is 510 rupees on the same principle. 510 rupees on the same principle of simple interest. But in compound interest, principal is 4 times of the previous principal. So interest also 4 times. So 2040 is your answer. 2040. Amit got 1200 marks and Jyoti scored 84% marks in a test. If Jyoti's marks are 144 more than Amit, so Amit scored 1200, 144 extra means 1344 Jyoti marks equal to 84%. Then Amit, what percent marks did Amit score? Amit means 1200 marks is equal to how much percent? 1200 by 1344 into 84. 4 3s are 12. 14, 4 3s are 12, 4 6 are 421 times. 4 8s are 32, 4 4s are 16, 4 300 times. 4 21 times, 4 75 times. 21 21 gets cancelled. 75%. There is no option, none of this. Approximate values 5890 by 15 plus 589 minus 112. 15 threes are 45, remaining 139. 15 sevens are, 15 nines are 135, remaining 40. 40 means 15 threes are 45. 393 plus 589 minus 112. So 393 minus 112 will give us 281, together 10, 17, 870, approximately 870. 10 cube means 1000, 24 square means 576, 2 power 5 means 32, equal to how much? 1000 minus 576 means 424, plus 32, 456. 456, approximately 450. 18 by 4 whole square. 18 square 324, 4 square 16. Or else 18 means 2 9 times 2 2 times 9 square means 81, 2 square means 4. 455 by 19 into 799 by 61. 799 by 61. 420.25 times 20.25 times 61. 455 times means 61 ones are 61, left with 189. 189 means 3 times, more than 13 times. 19 twos are 38, remaining 75. 19 fours are approximately 24. 20 times 480. So 1/4 of 24 is 6. 486 into 13, more than 13 times. 486 more than 13 times. 7 8, 104 plus 7, 111, 11 1, 52 plus 11, 63, 6318. So more than 6318 means approximately 6350. Next, 80% of 30, 74% of 1300. 13 fours are 52, 5 2. 13 sevens are 91 plus 5, 962. Plus 10% of 1900, 190. 1152, approximately 1150. 2440 minus 1234 plus 402 minus 990 is equal to x. 24 minus 12, 1200. 40 minus 34 means 06. 1206 plus 402 minus 990. 1206 minus 990 means 216. 216 plus 402 will give us 618. Approximately 620. 620 is your answer. Thank you.